TikTok is a master at making us want things we never knew existed. You see a video of a bedroom transformed into a cosmic dreamscape and suddenly your current lighting feels boring. That is the power of the Pameza Galaxy Projector. It has been everywhere lately. I went deep on this one to see if the $50 price tag actually holds up against the reality of what you get in the box. The concept itself is genuinely impressive for a budget gadget. Most cheap star projectors use simple lasers that look like someone threw green glitter at your ceiling. Those dots just sit there. They do not feel real. This film disc system is a total game changer. It functions more like a high-end slide projector from back in the day, but shrunk down for your nightstand. You get 12 different space scenes that you can swap out. We are talking about nebulae, galaxies, and full views of the solar system in high definition. The distinction between this and a laser projector is enormous. One looks like a toy, while the other creates a legitimate planetarium atmosphere in your own house. When you dial in that adjustable focus head, the clarity is surprisingly sharp. It is the kind of thing that makes you want to just lie on the floor and stare at the ceiling for an hour. But here's where the story gets a bit messy. The marketing for this specific brand is aggressive. They list the price at $50 and claim it is marked down from $100. Let me be clear about this. That $100 price point is almost certainly a manufactured number designed to make you feel like you are getting a massive bargain. It is a common tactic in the world of online storefronts. When you look closer at the landscape of these gadgets, you realize something interesting. The exact same hardware is everywhere. You can find the same 12 discs, the same motor system, and the same 4-button control layout on major retail sites for $25 to $35. Pameza appears to be a classic drop-shipping operation. They use a sleek store and viral ads to sell a product that comes from the same factory as the cheaper versions. This matters because of the build quality. These devices rely on tiny rotating motors to make the stars move. Cheap motors are famous for developing a wobble or just dying completely after a few months of regular use. When that happens, your dynamic space show turns into a static, glorified nightlight. There is no evidence that this specific brand has a better build than the cheaper ones. Since there is no long-term track record, you are essentially gambling with your money. The tech itself is great. The disc-based projection is a huge leap over the old laser dots. It provides a much more immersive and relaxing experience. The timer options are also legitimately useful for falling asleep, but there is no reason to pay a premium to a brand that might not even exist in a year. If you want this experience, do yourself a favor and look for the version with verified reviews and a solid return policy elsewhere. You get the same beautiful visuals without the inflated price tag. It is all about cutting through the noise of social media marketing to find what is actually worth your hard-earned cash. The gadget world is full of these mirrors and smoke screens. It pays to look under the hood before hitting that buy button.